Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm just gonna show you guys what I picked up from Burlington Coal Factory. So let's go ahead and dig into it. So I got this first item. This one is the PRIMO live streaming multimedia production stand. It comes with the Selfie Light with the clamp, full power up to 65-inch, 3 color lighting modes, 10 brightness levels. Wow, it has a 10 brightness level. So that has a good lighting, perfect for instructional video, photography projects, vlogs, and then live streaming, recording, and then streaming. So it comes with this collapse open 2.75-inch button function. The plus is increased brightness. You got the arrow button, changing color mode, and then the minus button is for decreased brightness, and then there's your power on and off switch. I got this for only $12.99, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And if it has this mounting bracket, fits a smartphone up to 6.5-inch. Then the second item is this one. This is for my son's Christmas, well actually a birthday gift. Got this LeBron James 23, and then you got this nice Los Angeles Lakers patch on the right hand side of the chest. And this is a V-neck. It's an NBA size medium, made in China. I got this for $12.99, which is an awesome deal. It says compared to $30. And then on the back, I got this big Lakers number 23, and then James on the bottom. That was pretty cool. Well, since Lakers they're on top of the food chain this year against the Bucks, so we'll see at the playoff. So let's go ahead and unbox this one for you guys to check it out. So this is like a plastic cover. Gotta be careful. This is like a metal or like a aluminum material. It's kind of sharp. So this is the smartphone holder. It's nice. Has a metal. So you connect this with the USB Type A power. And then this is the ball joint right here where you mount your smartphone holder. So you gotta unscrew this and then put the nut over this, and then push this in to the ball joint, and now it's allow you to rotate 360 degree And after that, you can tie this up. And then this is the light. Let's go ahead and get my power bank so I can power this on real quick. So you can clip this on the table, so it's pretty thick too. And then they have this foam padding, so it will not slip off of your table where you're gonna clip it on. And then the clip, it is metal. So yeah, it's a flex mount, nice. So let's go ahead and get my power bank and then test this out. Alright, I got my power bank right here, so let's go ahead and plug this in. And then, ooh, nice, you got the blue LED. So this is the on and off switch. Oh, there you go. Then I'm gonna change a different color. So they have 3 different light colors. There's like a amber, super white light, and this is like a medium. So we're gonna turn the minus down. So this is a dimmable, and then go to plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total is about 10 because right now it's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so total 10. So it is correct. So all you need to do is just mount this. Wow, nice. So this is my Note 10. So this is mainly for like a selfie. Yeah, so you can unscrew this and stuff, but the wires inside, you don't want to mess up the wiring, so be careful. So the light will be shining at you, okay? If you're doing like a selfie. We turn it on. See? So make your face brighter. If I could try to leave it there and do something, test. So this is the white LED, so you can see my hand. Oh, it's snapping a picture because I open my palm. Because the Note 10 has that gesture. I'm not going to open my palm. So as you can see my wrist and everything, my hand. That's good. So if you're in like a total darkness, this will make it pretty bright. So if you have like a makeup channel or anything like that, it is pretty good to have this kind of light. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, and drop in the comments on below. I will see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.